everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena and I'm really excited to make this video. So today is the 1st of May and that means it's the Me Made May challenge. And for this year I wanted to start by giving you guys an introduction to my self-made wardrobe. I put all my self-made pieces here on my clothing rack. And yeah, I'm just gonna show them to you and talk about them a little bit and hope you're interested. So let's dive in. So I decided to kind of like put everything into like categories to make it a little bit easier, I guess. I'll start with the smallest category, which is clothes I made for other people. So beginning with this top, I made this for my sister out of an old skirt. Yeah, it has these cute little buttons here on the side. This cute little top. I made this for my girlfriend. So I upcycled this sweater for my girlfriend again. It used to be two sweaters, as you can see. One is a bit more dark, and I think one of them had a hoodie as well. And I think they were both like sweaters from like school, and she wanted to like get rid of them, and I was like, hey, we could make something cool out of it. So yeah, that's what it turned out to be. I really like that one. And then we have these pants, again for my girlfriend, and she insisted on having this like cool little button and this purple zipper. She calls it the party zipper. Yeah, also the fabric is like really nice. Those are all the pieces I think that I made for other people. So let's continue. Alright, so I reorganized a little bit because the next category is upcycled items. The first thing is this top that I made out of an old curtain. You can see it on the straps here. It used to be the details on the curtain. It like overlaps in the back. Yeah. And the hem still has the curtain detail. Really cute. Next one, really like this. Is this blouse. Has buttons in the back and these ties. You can tie into a knot. It used to be like a oversized blouse from my grandma with short sleeves, and I changed the sleeves to be super flowy. And this was the back actually, but I made it the front. Yeah, really cute as well. Then we have this one. Apparently I really love black. This is also an old blouse I found at my grandma's house. I shortened it. I added this like really pretty silver thread around it. So, and it has again really voluminous sleeves. Then we have a skirt. This skirt used to be like shorts and I turned it into a skirt. Apparently I gained a little bit of weight because it didn't like fit me so much around the waist anymore. That's why I added these like black stripes. Don't know if I like that so much. We'll see. Maybe I'll do something different with it. Then we have this thing. It looks like a skirt, but it's actually like pants. Also upcycled from like some longer culottes. Yeah, really nice for the summer. And then we have this item. This used to be my mom's wedding outfit. It looked different, obviously. And it has a matching skirt as well. Don't know if I like the skirt yet. I only shortened it. So this is the skirt. It used to be way longer. But the cool thing is the jacket. I turned this jacket into like a blouson thingy. Because it used to be like giant and oversized. Things you wore in the 90s. Yeah, and now it's this like really cool, like a bomber jacket almost. Yeah. But the fabric is so delicate, I'm like scared to wear it. But yeah, it's definitely like something. something special that no one else has. These are all my upcycled items, and let's jump to the next category. Okay, so this category is a really big one. I made the most pieces in this category, which is tops. So obviously different kind of tops, but I'll put them all in one. So starting with something that maybe doesn't even classify as top is this cute little bralette that I just recently made. It's the Bear bralette by Madeline Intimates. I made it in this jersey, so it's more like a bikini style. Yeah, I really like it. Then we have this top, which is like a wrap top. I'll blend in the name and where I have the pattern from. Then we have this top, which I made out of this like vintage fabric I found in a secondhand store. It's the Caroline pajamas from Closet Core Patterns. Yeah, I thought this fabric would be perfect for like a vintage looking shirt. I originally made it for me, but it's a little bit small, so it's more like for my girlfriend, but we both wear it. Then we have this one, really exciting. It looks not so great in a hanger. I finished it today. It's the Tudor blouse with the wrap hack. You'll see in a bit. And then we have this thing. I used the cielo top pattern for this. Yeah, I found this cool fabric of all these like little rainbow palettes in a fabric store, and I made it for like a Halloween party. But yeah, it's like a party top, which I don't get to wear at the moment because there's no parties, as you all know. Here's the only actual t-shirt I made. I like the stripes, and I added this like orange neckline. Yeah, it's a nice summer top. Also fits my girlfriend better than me, but oh well. Here's another striped top with a boat neck and 3/4 length sleeves. I really like this top, worn it a lot of times. Then we have this wrap top. I think it's from the Peppermint magazine. It's a free pattern. Oops, it's a little thread. I don't particularly love this one, but it's still really cool. I just don't like that the neckline is so high. You'll see in a bit, but it's a good basic, I guess. And we have this guy here. I only wore this once because the fabric is not really my favorite. Found it at my grandma's house, and it's the Wilder gown, just the top part. And I kind of like it, but I'm also not so sure about it. And it's this polyester fabric, so it's not the most comfy. I added this cute little silk tie around here. I like that detail. You might notice that I'm not super excited about everything I made, but I just want to be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna be like, hey, I made this, it's beautiful, and this is beautiful, I wear it every day, because it's not the truth. Some things I made and I just don't wear them that often, and others I wear all the time. But yeah. And then we have this one. This is, oops. This is also this yellow top from Closet Core Patterns with these really big sleeves. I also don't wear this that often, but maybe because of the fabric. Like in the fabric store I really liked it, and now it kind of reminds me of like a mushroom. You know what I mean. So I guess, yeah. Also it's a little bit big on me now because I lost weight. So, but I think the shape of the pattern is really cool. I want to make it in another fabric as well. Okay. Here we have like a simple turtleneck. Found this fabric at the second-hand store for like €1, and it was like this brownie beige. It was really ugly. So I dyed it green, but it's kind of like fading. So it looks kind of worn out now. And here we have another green turtleneck. It's a good basic for winter. It's really warm. Not much to say about it. Oh yeah, this t-shirt I'm wearing here, or this blouse, It is it's this yellow top by Classic Core Patterns with the short sleeves. Yeah, great basic. But yeah, I'm gonna probably make this in another fabric as well. But I really like this one. So the first one is this, like, it's a jersey dress. It has this knot detail at the waist. And because of the fabric, it kind of feels like sweatpants, which is really nice. But I feel like the knot detail makes it a little bit more fancy. Depends how you style it. Then we have this one. The dress from my last video, the one I made for my birthday. I still really like it. I really like the buttons. Even though I really like this dress, sometimes I'm wondering whether I should just get rid of the skirt part and make it into a blouse, and then maybe I'll wear it more often. But yeah, it's really cute. And then we have the welder gown. I really love this dress. I love the fabric and the print on it a lot. The only problem or issue why I don't wear it that much is the fabric. I think it's kind of like a polyester fabric. Didn't really know about that when I bought the fabric, because I didn't really know that much about fabrics. I love the print. I just kind of sweat really easily in it. But other than that, it's gorgeous. I love this dress. All right, we're getting close to the end of this part. So next category is bottoms, so skirts and pants. And I'll start with this skirt. Yeah, it's a circle skirt. It has a hidden zipper in the back. It does have pockets, and I kind of call this my Christmas skirt because, you know, I mean, because of the fabric and the whole style of it, it's not really like something I wear every day. Yeah, so it's more like the special Christmas event skirt. I made this out of like an old bed sheet. Don't really like the buttons or all the pleats, or like, yeah, because it's like basically a square that's ruffled together with a waistband. I just feel like it's too much volume. So I'm gonna change this into something else. So we have this pair. It's this brown, really lightweight fabric. It's the white leg pants from the Peppermint magazine. And this is my test pair actually, but I really like wearing this. It's really comfy. Just unfortunately a little bit see-through. So you have to like choose the right underwear. But yeah, really nice for the summer. And then lastly we have these ones, the white jeans. It's also the white leg pants from the Peppermint magazine, but in a white denim. I worked really long on these, and when they were finished I was like, okay, they're done, I can move on. But unfortunately they're a little bit too big, and I've been putting it off for like a year to make them smaller because I really want to wear them, but just don't fit that well. So yeah, I'm gonna try to stop putting it off so much. So yeah, that was it with the bottoms. And now I have one last item that I'm really proud of, and you'll see why. So I made a coat. Last year when I did this challenge, I was complaining that I didn't have enough warm things or like outerwear. So here's the outerwear. I finished this a couple of weeks ago. Also took me ages to do. It was a lot of struggle, but I'm really happy with the result. I added this blue detail in between the outer fabric and the lining fabric to give it like a personal touch. Added a label with my name, and yeah, I love this coat. So these are all the clothes I made, and I created a little lookbook, so here it is. Alright, so that was all of it. I hope you liked it. If you're curious what I'm gonna sew next, or what I'm sewing currently, or you know, you can just visit my Instagram page. I am definitely planning on making some summer dresses. I already have some patterns and some fabric. What else want to make? I want to make some more pants, I think, and some skirts. Yeah, and I have like a bunch of clothes that I want to upcycle. Yeah, like I guess I'm a little bit of a fabric and upcycling project hoarder in that sense. Yeah, so there's a lot to come, I guess. Yeah, and I want to share that with you. I'm really trying to like document things and take videos and photos and share it, and I'm not very good at it, but yeah, well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe it inspires you to sew your own clothes or like upcycle some clothes you have at home. That would be really cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!